A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of 12th class subject Botany, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, you know that we have completed the unit first and we have discussed the questions which have been included according to the syllabus in the unit first. And yesterday we have completed the unit first. Now today we will move towards the unit second, which is the genetics. And in the genetics portion, there are the important questions which are usually asked in the examination. So it is very much important as per the exam point of view. So you should keenly watch the different types of questions which have been included and which we will discuss one by one accordingly. Now today, moving towards the unit first, the first question of this unit is the heredity and variation. Now, this will be our today's topic, heredity and variation, and from this question we will take first the heredity. We will define this heredity as it is defined as a transfer of information regarding characters from individuals of one generation to those of future generation, commonly through direct genetic descendants. So dear students, you should remember, you should understand that heredity means the transfer of characters from parents to offspring. जितने भी parents में जो भी characters होते हैं और उनका अपने जो बच्चे होते हैं उनमें ट्रांसफ़र होना उसी को हेरिडिटी कहते हैं. So here the definition is the transfer of information means the characters from individuals of one generation means parents to those of future generation means their offspring is commonly through direct genetic descendants. So this was the definition of this heredity. Now there are the bases of heredity. The basis of heredity are of two types. One is the physical basis, another is the chemical basis. Now regarding the physical basis, according to John Mendel, which has been considered as the father of genetics, heredity was controlled by particles called germinal units or factors. So according to the John Mendel, these heredity was controlled by particles which he named the germinal units or factors, and these were present in somatic as well as germinal cells. So first of all, in physical basis, you should remember that according to John Mendel, heredity was controlled by particles called germinal units or factors which were present in somatic as well as germinal cells. The gametes carried the factors to the next generation. These are the gametes which are responsible for carrying these factors, characters to the next generation. Thus, these gametes form the physical basis of heredity. So you should remember in physical basis of heredity that gametes are responsible for the physical basis of heredity. Now the chemical basis of heredity. The Mendelian factors now called genes. These Mendelian factors according to the chemical basis are now called genes. They control the heredity. So the genes are responsible for controlling the heredity. Genes are nothing but these are the definite segments of chromosomes. These genes are present on the chromosomes. These are the definite segments of chromosomes. And the genes present on the chromosomes of gametes. The genes present on the chromosomes of gametes transfer characters from parents to offspring. So in the chemical basis, genes are responsible for transferring characters from parents to offspring, while as in physical basis, gametes form the physical basis of heredity. So these genes are composed of DNA and protein. So you should remember that genes have the DNA and the proteins. Thus these genes form the this, sorry, thus these DNA forms the chemical basis of heredity. So the DNA is here responsible for chemical basis of heredity. So you should remember in physical basis of heredity, gametes are form the physical base of heredity, while as in chemical basis, DNA is responsible for chemical basis of heredity. So this was all about the heredity and the basis of heredity. Now in this question remains the variation and their types we will define, we will discuss in our next section tomorrow. Till tomorrow, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.